Chris joins us now, and Chris, we've got those arrows you've been tracking from the northwest.
That's right. We have a very busy jet stream in the area, and that's going to bring us a lot of different weather over the next few days. So let's start off with the current temperatures this morning. If you were with us yesterday, you know these temperatures are significantly warmer. We have a lot more wind and a lot more cloud cover around, so we're about 5 to 10 degrees warmer in many places than this hour yesterday. Sitting in the 30s right here in the metro area from Parker to DIA and Boulder. Upper teens to low to mid 20s on the eastern plains, mostly teens in the high country and some 20s on the western slope. High valleys always get cold, Alamosa and Gunnison in the single digits, both above and below zero. Our weather watcher windy out in Pete's, 31 degrees, and honestly not too far down the road in Morgan County, just 14 degrees in Fort Morgan at Rusty's house. So quite a variety of temperatures out there, a lot of it having to do with both terrain and the wind. It's wet on the east coast from the Gulf Coast all the way up through the big cities of the northeast. So if you're heading that way today, may have a few travel issues into big airports like Atlanta. Meanwhile, on the opposite coast, it's still stormy in the Pacific Northwest from Portland up through Seattle. This is all part of a very active jet stream here outlined in the gold arrows that Joel was referencing. It's cutting across the nation, kicking up some areas of unsettled weather. We're kind of right in the middle. Not too much happening in Colorado other than wind and a little light mountain snow, but that's going to change. This is the jet stream by Thursday, and it will be carving a path right through our state, allowing some colder air to come in from the north and northeast and kicking up some snow, even potentially here in Denver. For today, we'll keep a few snow showers in the north central mountains along and north of Interstate 70. Very light. We're talking 1 to 2 inches at best if you do get under some of these snow showers. The rest of us, just a mix of sun and clouds passing through, much like yesterday, and a little wind here and there. Maybe some cloud cover backing in tomorrow from the northeast. So we'll be watching that as far as temperatures go for the forecast. For today, not too bad in the high country, mostly 30s, even some 40s out there on the western slope. Once you're along and east of the foothills, the northeast half of the state in the 40s, the southeast in the 50s, and metro Denver will kind of flirt with 50. Upper 40s to low 50s is where we should top off for today. Here's the 5-day forecast. We warm it up a bit tomorrow, and the wind cranks up a little bit more tomorrow as well. Joel's 60s on Thursday, very unusual for late January, and then there is our chance of rain and snow Wednesday into Thursday as that jet stream carves a path right through the center of the state.